Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can add multiple strokes to a text layer using Photoshop. So we want to write out some text. So for the sake of the tutorial, we have just written out nerds in the middle of the canvas. We're then going to select that text layer, right click on it and select blending options. We're then going to apply a stroke. So initially we'll just do a inside stroke. So let's turn it down to about 7 and we'll change the colour to be a nice red. Then select OK. And all you simply need to do to add another stroke is select the plus icon, and then that will create another stroke for us, which we can then change. So this time we're going to use an outside stroke. And we're going to change the colour to be a blue instead. And we can increase the size of that if we wanted to. And there you go, we've been able to apply multiple strokes to a layer within Photoshop. We can even add further layers if we wanted to, so we could even add another outside stroke if we wanted to. So this time we'll go with a light green and we'll turn it down to 6. So that's okay. And then that's how you can add multiple strokes to a layer within Photoshop. The same effect can also be applied to inner shadows, so you can add multiple inner shadows to a layer. It's a great nifty little trick which you can use time and time again in future design projects. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.